What's up, fam? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to go pick up the light because it was ordered and delivered, and I'm about to go. After I pick up the light, I'm going to drop off the light at the car place. I'm going to drop off the light at the car place, and then after that I'm going to see what work they got done in the car so far, how far they got, and I'm going to show you guys that. So let's go, bring you guys along for the ride. And remember to hit that like button because that's a way of supporting the channel.
Show you what it do. Oh yeah, loco, escúchame bien. Si puedo lograr todo, pues tú puedes también. Ahora tengo carros, ahora tengo casas, ahora todo está fluido como sangre de la raza. Let me introduce you to the reason.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
¿Bien? ¿Cool?
Sí.
Ok. Sí. Cool.
Señor, trae dos llaves. Trae una de repuesto. Trae dos llaves. Bueno. Dime.
¿Qué problema? Vale 90.
¿Te llevas esto? ¿Recito normal o factura?
Casi que 900, 490. So guys, I picked up the light. I try to show a little bit, not much. Just wanted to pick it up and go. So I picked up the light. As you can see, it's the full backlight, brand new. So I paid her, she gave me a receipt. I got a warranty on it. Now I'm headed to drop the light off at the body shop, the repair shop, and see how far they got with the car so far. So let's go to the repair shop. Look, hospital. But yeah, let's go to the repair shop and see what they already got done at the repair shop. ¿Qué más? ¿Y Johan?
En el 7.
¿Hasta qué?
En el 7.
¿En el 7? Oh, ok. Sí, estoy llevando de luz. El stop.
Ya, lo que me le quito no. Ay, sí. ¿Cómo lo traen impulsado o así ya?
¿Con control? Oh, puedo empujar también, los dos. ¿Sí? Es que aquí, si ahora está barato, creo que como 400, 300. Pues es original. Si compré no original, pues 200, 80,000. Cool. Entonces, voy regreso cuando mañana. ¿Cómo dijo mañana?
Ya mañana. Yo los pintó.
Eso es muy rápido. Ok. ¿Ustedes patinan o no? ¿Ustedes patinan? ¿Ah? Así no.
Ay. Severa. Pero ella cruza para los lados, usted la cruza con los mismos pies.
Sí, es como, sí, es como patineta normal.
Claro. No, yo nunca me la he dado.
Sentado. O como los scooters. Pero no me gusta tanto.
No, esto me parece más chimba que las otras.
Sí, eso es más diversión para mí.
Claro, el otro es monopatina, esto es patineta.
So guys, as you can see, I dropped off the lights. They're almost done with the car. I'll be able to pick it up tomorrow. You see how clean it is. Ain't no more dents. But I'm in a restaurant right now to eat something. Of course, you know I gotta go to the African restaurant, not African, but you know, to the Afro-Colombian restaurant. I feel like I'm eating out a lot in the videos, but normally when I'm not recording, I don't eat out. But anyway, eating out is only like $2 or $3 anyway, so. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys after I have lunch, and then I'm gonna close out the video. So guys, I just finished eating my lunch. I am crazy full, man. Had to go skate around a little bit just to, you know what I'm saying, I mean, burn off some of this food that I ate. But as you guys saw, I picked up the light, dropped it off at the body shop. They're basically done with the body repair. The light fixed perfectly and everything. All I got to do is finish up the painting, and I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. I thank all of you guys for coming along on this ride with the last few videos. In the next video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you along with me picking up the car and show you all the final product and everything. So then I'll run you guys the full price, because I know a lot of you would like to know how much I paid pretty much for everything. Also, I know a lot of you guys would like to probably know about insurance, why insurance didn't cover it, or whatever the case may be. The thing is too, with deductible for the insurance, it probably would have been even more than what I paid to get it fixed. But every deductible is different, really depends. And then of course, since I left the location, it'll be hard for me to show them more or less what happened in terms of it being hit while parked. But like always, thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you in the next adventure. Peace.